One of the challenges beginners face when they are using ClipChamp video editor is their ability to add text on their videos and still edit that text. So in this video tutorial, I will put you through on how you can complete this task, okay? There are different ways to edit different text styles. So we are going to explore them here. Let's get started. We'll be using our web browser to access ClipChamp here. So I'll open my Microsoft Edge. Then click here and visit clipchamp.com. I already have account with the platform, so I'll click on sign in. But if you don't have account, go with try for free and follow the on-screen guide. Okay, I'm landed on this page, so I'll click on create a new video. The next step is to import the video file. Make sure you're on the video, you have media section tab, then click on import media. So get to where you save the video you want to add the text on. Okay, so let me get to mine. So look at mine here. So I'll click on it and click on open. Now that the importation is complete, so let's drag it and drop it here. Okay, that's the timeline. Okay, so you can now start playing your video to dictate where you add text. Our focus today is on how to. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to pause this audio. Okay, good. So once you get to where you want to add text on, just stop. Okay, just stop there. Then click on the text tab, which is at this left margin. Then this displays the types of text you can assign on your video. Okay, this is the first one, which is the plain text. So let's experiment with it first. The first text style. For you to use it, take your cursor there, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag and drop. Okay, let it be on the video, on top of the video clip. Okay, now that we have dropped text, it's time for us to edit it. For you to edit the text, click on the text itself. Okay, then you click here or double click here and add your own text. So Control A for me to select all these ones, and then I will add my own text. So let me call this, let's say I want to talk about something number one of a particular thing. So I will type number one. Now that I'm done typing it, you can see it's white on white. Okay, so the color or the text is not seen very clearly, so we need to work on the text further. So click on the text box for it to be selected. Then you can see another text tab here by the right, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see font section, font style, font size. So you can choose a new font of your choice, font style of your choice. You can choose a new font of your choice if you don't like the one that is selected by default. Okay, so people have different choices. Then you scroll down, you can see the color, the text color. That is where I want us to work on. The text color here is white, so it doesn't match with the background or with the clothes I'm putting on here. So I'll click on it and then change to black. If it doesn't match, I'll choose another color. But I think black should be fine, okay? So once you choose a color of your choice, then you click out. Then you can increase the text size, all right? Then if the positioning is not okay, take your cursor there and drag to a new position. Good. That's number one. So that is how you can use plain text first. Then if you want to use another text style, we are experimenting with another text style. Then there's a way you have to do it as well. So let me delete this. For you to delete the text, you either click on it and click on delete, and it's gone. Another type of text or style of text we can work with is typewriter. And we have secular, we have clean title, and we have a lot. So we are going to pick few of them here. So let's start with typewriter. So for you to use this one, take your cursor to the text style. All right. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag it down to where you want to have it in your video. So bring your playhead here, okay? So you can take your cursor here now for you to see these two pointing ends of the arrow, okay? Two pointing ends of the line. Then you can expand the text depending on how the length you want it to cover in the video. Okay, you can get it longer, you can get it shorter. All right, so I didn't explain that in the plain text section. Okay, so you can extend it until it covers the length you want it to cover for your audience to see the text for a particular duration of time. Okay, now let's work on this type of text, which is typewriter. For you to work on typewriter, you can't just click here and start typing immediately, just like we did in the previous style. Okay. For you to work on it, it's either you double click on this text box after it's selected here. This will open this text tab by this right. Okay. Or you can just forget about double clicking on it. Just click here and then click here. Then this allows you to change the default text, which is typewriter. So I'll click here and then type what I want to have the inside the text box. Okay, so my text here is no it. Okay, then for you to, you can work further on that, maybe change the size, change the text color. So this one allows you to assign background color to the text. So here the text color is white, so we can choose black background to make the text to show up very clearly. So I'll click on this, then click on top. Good, it's gone. All right, so let's go and play this and see how it works. So I'll click here for the playhead to be here, then I'll play. Okay, you can see how the text just moved. All right, so that's how this style works. Okay, circular, you can use circular. What circular does is that it covers the entire screen. If you want to explain something, okay, it covers the entire screen. Just drag it, drop it, then you can click on this text box that will appear, the text icon that will appear here, the tab, and then change the text to where you want it to be. Okay, add your own text inside it. So let me delete this. I'll click this and then select delete, and it's gone. So, but let's just experiment with circular so that you see how it was really. So as usual, I'll take my cursor here, drag it and drop. Okay. Then I'll bring my playhead here. Then I'll play it. You can see how it covers the entire screen. So, but we need to work on it. First, we can expand it more. Then as it is selected, click on this text here, the new text tab. Then you can change what is here. Okay, so my own text raise important message. If you don't like the background here, you have blue background. If you want to change it, click here and choose a background of your choice. But that doesn't match, please choose something that will match the text itself, the text color. Wow, this is beautiful. So this is a more clearer blue. Okay, so you close this. So let's see how it plays. Close it. And I'll take this here and place to see how it will appear. Important message. You can see how it covers the entire screen. Okay. If you want to shorten it, just click on the text as it appears on the timeline and then drag to match. Okay. That's how you can work with this circular type. So the last type of text I would like to experiment with is one called large heading. So let me delete this. I'll click on it, backspace key for it to go. Okay, large heading presents your text in a bolder way. Okay, that's why it's called large heading. So for you to use it, as usual, take your cursor there, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag and drop. All right, take your playhead there, and then click on it for it to be selected. So you can't just click here and change it on the as it appears on the video. As usual, it's either you double click on it or you click on this text tab that appears by the right. You see this text tab once you select this text box here. All right, once you select the text on the timeline. So let me double click on it. You can see it has opened this place for us to make the changes we want. So I'm going to change this text to what I want. Then after typing the first word, enter key, and then type the second word, okay? This I want to have it as work hard, okay? Now that I've typed the text, I can decide to increase it, the size, okay? Then the primary color of the text is white, background color is chosen as different color as well. Okay, no background color actually here, but I want us to change the background color. So I'll click on it and select black. Good, work hard. You can see how clear the thing is now. Okay, the text is now. So I'll click above for it to close to exit the background color section. Now that it has exited it, you can decide to align your text differently, maybe towards the left or towards the right. But by default, it is aligned center. So I like it that way. If you want to change the font, change it here. If you want to do some other things on the text, you can do that position and the rest. But no need for that. So I'll close this. So this is how you can apply this type of text. So it is that simple, okay? I believe this guide helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. It won't take you anything to subscribe to learn more on how to use software. Okay, we cover so many areas of technology on this channel, so you will have something to learn, including YouTube education and also how to complete important tasks that have to do with technology. Leave a comment in the comment section to know if this video really helps you or help you learn one or two things on how to use Microsoft ClipChamp video editor. Hit that like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Please don't leave without hitting it. Just that like button to not take anything from you, okay? Have you done that? Thank you. Watch this video to learn everything you need to know about Microsoft ClipChamp user guide. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.